Are you hiding behind dog? Oh, Kato. Hi, baby. Hi.
Here, somebody.
Watson, drop it.
Watson. Good boy.
I love how blue his skin looks.
Yeah, under the
Crazy.
under the black part, he's got really blue skin. What's that? You wanna play?
There we go. There you go.
That's what that toy's supposed to be for. Oh. Dog. I know, dog. You're just too old.
He took it from me. Why's you always gotta be taking it? Okay, I got that.
Watson.
Watson.
Drop it.
Watson.
Oh, hi, baby.
I know.
He's like teasing him with it. He's like, what?
The most annoying thing in the world is when the dog's got the toy and he comes up to you and he's just like tapping it. Here, toy, toy, toy.
Do something with the toy.
Toy. You're like, stop it!
Oh, you're
God!
Oh my god.
Look, kiddo.
I'll help. I'll bite his face while you pull it.
Busy.
He's grabbing your shirt. You're not helping. Whose team are you on?
I know, really.
Ow!
I'm sorry, that was very
Kiddo, Kiddo, help! Help!
This wrist looks good. I got this.
Good job, Kato. Good job.
Oh, Watson's he's gonna win this battle.
Watson, chill out.
Come on, kiddo. Come on, you can do it.
Bite his wrist, Kato.
It totally is. Oh, he's chewing on
Watson, you're a powerful dog.
Good boy.
I know, he's all muscle. It's a problem. I wish he was fat and lazy.
How much does Watson weigh?
52.5 pounds.
Oh, is he fully grown now? Oh my god.
You know, I'm going to say probably he'll probably fill out a little bit. Maybe he'll get a little bigger. I don't think he'll get any heavier than 55.
He'll get poundage as he gets older.
You think he'll get to 60?
Well, he'll just get like fat instead of just pure muscle.
Good boy.
Yeah, he's really lean right now.
Yeah.
Kato just wants to cuddle.
Kiddo will be about
Look at
that
this
size.
squiggly, squiggly dog.
He'll look bigger because of his fur.
That's the right adjective, squiggly.
Uh-oh.
Yo, what's up now? I got this. What's up, young dog?
I love how he just goes after him. I'm gonna bite your face.
Oh, Mustard just completely ignores him. He's like, oh, this tiresome pipsqueak.
Like, bark at him.
Meanwhile, dog is rolling around, being dog.
I've got to do this. It's awesome.
Watson, no. The sound he makes is clapping his jaws is hilarious.
All right.